Kenwood makes upgrading your bass easy and affordable with their subwoofer amplifier bass packages. Anyone feeling a little old school? Remember bass tubes? Most recently, they created the P-W131TB Tube Woofer Party Pack. Yeah, they're calling it a party. Remind me not to RSVP, unless there's pizza. For under $200, the package comes with an amplifier and tube subwoofer. The amplifier is the KAC5207, a Class AB amplifier with mono or 2-channel operation. It has an RMS rated power of 85 watts by 2 channels at 2 ohms, 70 watts by 2 channels at 4 ohms, and 170 watts bridged at 4 ohms. The KAC features a cast aluminum heatsink, a MOSFET power supply, and signal sense turn-on. Plus, it comes with a 9-inch speaker level input harness. Let's test it out. We wired up the amplifier to the tube subwoofer and tested it first, bridged at 4 ohms. Again, Kenwood claims the amp does 170 watts RMS, and we got very close, hitting about 150 watts RMS at peaking, bridged at 4 ohms, with a 40 Hz test tone. Then we tested a single channel at 4 ohms stereo, and we were able to get about 50 watts RMS, pretty close to its mark of 70 watts RMS since it went up to 6 ohms, so 4 ohms will have more power for sure. All in all, the system tested as we expected and hit all its specs pretty much on the money. The subwoofer featured in the P-W131TB is the KSC-W1200T, which is a 12-inch single voice coil 4-ohm subwoofer in a ported tube enclosure. Expect all the characteristics of a ported enclosure regardless of it being a tube, so more bass and better efficiency. The RMS power input of the sub is 200 watts at 4 ohms, making it a perfect match for the KAC5207. Before you bassheads start talking just remember what this package is: a subwoofer and amplifier combo for under $200, aimed at those who want a quick setup without putting a system together. Obviously, it doesn't compete with your 3,000 watt sundown subs wired at 0.01 ohms. Yes, I know that's not a real impedance. Although they're generally pretty big, the benefit of bass tubes is they can consume otherwise unused space, making them perfect for trucks and SUVs. The cube shape of a subwoofer box is almost always awkward to fit in a vehicle. The tube shape fits snugly between seats or in the trunk. The downside to bass tubes is they're like giant Tootsie Rolls. A lumberjack would love to take this on the Mississippi River and do some log rolling. To prevent the 27-pound enchilada from rolling around like the soda bottles under your seat, Kenwood provides quick release belts to tie it down, like a mental patient refusing their medication. The spring clip speaker terminals allow easy installation of speaker wire. Dimensions of the tube are 13.5 inches in height, 13.5 inches in width, and 19.75 inches in length. Before you ask me if it'll fit in your 98 Chevy, do me a favor and just bust out the measuring tape, please, alright? So if you're on a budget and are craving bass, check out Kenwood's new bass packages, as well as the rest of your car audio and video gear with us today at qualitymobilevideo.com. Links are in the bio. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click that like button. If you hate it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.